Hello everyone. I am making this video to share that we are launching the world's first harness engineering workshop. The workshop starts on August 3 and it will run for 5 days till August 7th. First came prompt engineering, then came context engineering, and now we have something which is called as harness engineering. So that's point number A, with which we'll start this workshop. And by the time we have finished this workshop, you'll reach point number B. And what is point number B? In point number B, you will be able to make harnesses such as Claude code from scratch. You'll understand how agentic harnesses such as Claude code are built from the ground up. You'll look at harnesses such as Pi. You'll also look at a very famous harness which has around 200,000 stars on GitHub right now, which is called as Hermes. And you will be able to build your own agentic harness entirely from scratch. Each day of this workshop will be geared towards this final goal of building such a harness from scratch. And we'll also do a capstone project where you will build a project using your own harness. Harness engineering is an incredible field and it combines several domains. It's really a superset. So prompt engineering and context engineering are a subset of harness engineering. And once you master harness engineering, you'll be able to understand how a coding agent works from the bottom up. And that's a really very useful skill in engineering domains right now. That's why we have decided to come up with this workshop. So the timings for the workshop will be 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, and the workshop will essentially be from 3rd of August to 7th of August. And we'll be building the pyramid in this workshop. And what the pyramid essentially consists of is that initially we'll start with what is called loops. There is also a new term for this called loop engineering. So we'll see the origins of this term. Then we'll see how to add tools to the loops. Then we'll look at context management. Then we'll look at sub-agents. And then we'll also look at security. An agentic harness essentially has all of these different elements. And within that, we'll drill down into even more details. For example, here we are going to look at prompts. Here we are going to look at skills. In security, we are also going to look at something which is called as sandboxing. In sub-agents, we are going to look at agentic orchestration. It's going to be an incredible action-packed workshop in which we'll just be building. So I'm going to have this workshop which of course goes into foundations, but on every single day, we are going to build something. And at the end of the workshop, you will be one of the few people in the world who has your own agentic harness which has been built from scratch. Many of us only know about Claude code actually. But there are so many more open source agentic harnesses such as Pi, whose entire GitHub repository is actually fully available. Before this workshop, I have studied this GitHub repository and we are actually going to mimic our own agentic harness, which is very similar to how Pi was built. As I mentioned, Hermes is another such harness which has around 200,000 stars on GitHub right now. It's incredible. And the GitHub repositories for both of these provide incredible insights into how you can build your own harness without every time relying on Claude code, which is a bit expensive. We need to be independently thinking about constructing harnesses from scratch. Remember that if an LLM is the engine of a car, a harness is the entire car itself. And as a machine learning engineer or as an LLM engineer, you need to have knowledge of agentic harnesses. You need to be able to know how the car was built. I really look forward to seeing you during the workshop. Thank you.